Directors. Section 234 of the Act defines the term director as a director appointed to the board of a company. Section 210 of the Act defines the term board or board of directors in relation to a company as a collective body of the directors of the company. Company to have board of directors. Section 1491 of the Act provides that every company shall have a board of directors consisting of individuals as directors. Number of directors. The board shall have a minimum number of 3 directors in the case of public company and 2 directors in the case of a private company, and in case of one person company, 1 director. The maximum number of directors shall be 15. A company may appoint more than 15 directors after passing a special resolution. Obligation of the company. Every company existing or before the date of commencement of the Companies Act 2013 shall within 1 year is required to appoint board of directors with the requisite number including 1 woman director by the prescribed company. The further requirement is that every company shall have at least 1 director who has stayed in India for a total period of not less than 182 days during the financial year. Types of directors. The directors may be of various types such as woman director, independent director, nominee director, managing director, whole-time director, executive director, non-executive director, small shareholders directors, first directors, etc. Woman director. Second proviso to section 1491 read with rule 3 of companies appointment and qualification of directors rules 2014 provides that the following classes of companies shall appoint at least 1 woman director: every listed company, every other public company having paid up share capital of rupees 100 crore or more, or turnover of rupees 300 crore or more. For this purpose, the paid up share capital and turnover as on the last date of latest audited financial statements shall be taken into account. A company incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 and covered under provisions of second proviso to section 1491 shall comply with such appointment of woman director within a period of 6 months from the date of its incorporation. Any intermittent vacancy of a woman director shall be filled up by the board at the earliest but not later than immediate next board meeting, or 3 months from the date of such vacancy, whichever is later.